Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to recover unsaved or deleted PowerPoint presentations step by step. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Even if your file isn't visible due to a crash or accidental deletion, don't worry. PowerPoint has built-in recovery features. Next, click on the File tab in the top left corner of the window. This tab opens up options for managing your files, including recovery tools. Then go to the Open section. At the very bottom of this section, click Recover Unsaved Presentations. This will open a folder where PowerPoint automatically stores temporary versions of your work. Browse through the available files and locate the presentation you want to recover. Once you find it, click to open it. The file may not be exactly as you last left it, but it will be the closest version available. Finally, save your recovered presentation immediately to prevent any further loss. It's also a good idea to enable autosave for ongoing projects to avoid losing work in the future. And that's it. By following these steps, you can successfully restore unsaved or deleted PowerPoint presentations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.